Good morning. My name is Ronald Salamanca. Um, Current approximate population 7.150.000. Urban area es 1.775 kilómetros cuadrados. Average climate es 14 grados centígrados. Current situation of education. The city has a total of 104 institutions of higher education, both public and private. In Bogotá, there is the largest university offered in the country, has 450 higher education students. Air pollution in Bogotá is a recurring problem with proven effect on public health. Rio Bogotá and wetlands. Currently, Rio Bogotá is the main source of water for all the citizens. Also, we had wetlands what supply of fresh water, biodiversity, flood control, water recharge, and climate change mitigation. Unfortunately, both of them are contaminated. Current urbanization and commerce situation. The city airways have been growing fast every day. There are new projects for apartments and malls. Now again, a new shopping mall in construction is going to be the largest mall in the country and the second one in Latin America. Current culture and entertainment situation. The city has a wide culture of has increased considerably in recent decades, as well as being the venue for important festivals with intensive experience and national and international recognition. Mi perception of seguridad. Three is that Bogota is not the most dangerous city in my country, but still its security is to want to lay an eye and sometimes the public transport insecurity too. Mi perception of migration. Nowadays the city is full of foreigners, they travel and work and stuff, but actually Venezuelan migrants have increased in the last year of they been in the street for money of making their problems also become a problem to all the citizens. Thank you.